Viewers and subscribers, you're welcome back again. This is still BVI Channel 1, where we tell you nothing but undiluted truth. Yes. How will I explain to you Nigerians that this Tinubu government have made Nigerians living like zombies? This video you are looking at here will do a better explanation to you. Watch it and be sharing it. Good. You see, Amabi? Fantastic. Why am I bringing this video to you? It is not surprising that it is happening in the north. That is the poverty headquarters in Nigeria. And they are the ones that are really being hit the most under this Tinubu regime. No wonder this revolution is really hot from the north. What you are seeing people do there, in case you don't understand, let me explain it to you. They are not hired to destroy government property. No. They gathered together according to what we heard. That these people are destroying this walkway that is newly constructed so that they will be able to extract the iron inside it and sell it as scrap. Yes. It dey happen, it dey play, it dey show, you dey see am. Because we've seen these people from the north, in the east, in the south. Some of them will go to a building that is under construction, even a finished building, and start demolishing it just to extract either iron, aluminium, or whatever material they deem fit to sell scrap.
Hello, sir. I want to call your attention to this. This is the bridge that was constructed all the way from Alakija to link inside Fittest. These scavengers have started removing iron from the pillar that supports the bridge. You can see it, sir. This is what they have been doing. All the pillar holding the bridge, they have started removing the iron. They break the concrete and they started removing the iron. You can see, this is where we are now. See the way it was.
See wetin Aboki do, come carry workers come put person roofing. That's why they don't roof finish. Carry 6 people come lose us. Come lose us. Full roofing. Put person full roofing.
This one, where you do this one? This one. See what person don't walk finish.
Who person roofing like this? So then talk and now say they won't do this one. Now they go say Aboki not do anything. See, as one person don't roof. Carry Aboki come lose full roofing. Say the owner say make he lose am. Say they won't sell and see. This kind of big house.
Look at what criminals did to my site. Just 3 months of no working. Look at how they cut the iron. Look how they cut the iron. Look here. Almost all the iron. This one is even fair. Look at this one. Almost half of the house, half of the building, the iron is cut off. Look at this one. They cut it to even feed it. Look at it. No iron. Look at. All the iron is gone. Now we have to break this thing. Look at. No iron. Look at this pillar. All the building. They cut everything.
We've also seen a situation whereby somebody went and poured paints, buckets of paints worth millions of naira, just because he wants to take the plastic bucket and sell it. These are the conditions Nigerian people have been subjected into to be behaving like zombies because of the level of poverty and hunger. And that is why it is important I am making this video. to tell you Nigerians, I don't need to explain to you more why you should join the ballot revolution to end this kingdom of darkness that is led by the Nebuchadnezzar in Aso Rock. Come 2027, the reign of APC, if you want it to come to an end, join the ballot revolution. Pick up your PVC. No buy the idea, say your vote, no they count. Na APC propaganda. I'm telling you, the people can liberate themselves. America is not coming to save you. Nobody, even God himself, is not coming to save you other than yourself. I have said my own. I just hope Nigerian people see this and do the needful. My name is Asus Peters, your advocate for good governance. I have done my bit. Just click on the share button and escalate it. Bye-bye for now.